my dear friends. Today, I, Ajay Kumar Mishra, welcome to all of you once again. My dear friends, you are watching our classes and just you are subscribing and being a viewer of our classes YouTube channel. I am thankful. I give to thanks to all of you and my dear friends. Today, once again, I would like to inform all of you, our bona fide expert medical faculty Mr. Arvind Kumar will explain you very important questions related to nutrition, which is very important for 10th or board or 9th level and competitive level examinations. So मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, इस कोरोना काल में न्यूट्रिशन का क्वेश्चन का 10 का दम होगा और आपके एग्जामिनेशन का टेंशन कम होगा। याद रखें, इस कोरोना काल में न्यूट्रिशन के क्वेश्चन 10 क्वेश्चन का दम आपको एग्जामिनेशन में कर देगा टेंशन कम। तो न्यूट्रिशन NUTRITION न्यूट्रिशन का लेक्चर आपने ऑलरेडी अटेंड कर चुका है। नाउ टुडे ही विल गिव यू 10 क्वेश्चंस very important questions and explanation by Mr. Arvind Kumar. Now I would like to request my bona fide faculty to come and explain 10 questions so that the students can get more and more benefit. Thank you.
Welcome all of you students. I am Arvind Kumar introducing the specific organ of circulatory system in the heart. Is heart. Heart is a hollow muscular structure situated in mediastinal region of thoracic cavity. Heart is hollow muscular structure situated in mediastinal the word in between the lungs. There is a space called mediastinal. The space between the lungs is called mediastinal region. The heart is present in this region. The next point, size of the heart is of 12 into 9 cm. 12 into 9 cm. 12 in length and 9 in diameter. Weight of heart in male is about 300 milligram, 300 milligram, whereas in female it is of about 250 or 275 gram, 275 milligram, sorry, gram. Externally, heart is composed of upper atrium or atria and lower ventricles. The upper side is called atria or auricles, and the lower side of the heart, which is base of the heart, is called ventricle. Base of the heart is called ventricle. An irregular ridge is to be present between interatrial and irregular rays to be present between interatrium. Suppose this is right atrium and this is left atrium. Right atrium is larger than the left atrium. In the right atrium is larger in size than left atrium. Left atrium. Similarly, an oblique ridge is to be found in between interventricular region. Suppose this is a ventricle. This is a ventricle. Ventricles having an oblique lobe. oblique lobe, oblique ridge, present in ventricle. This is right ventricle and this is left ventricle. In brief, heart is a hollow muscular structure situated in mediastinal region of thoracic cavity. Size of the heart is of about 20 into 9 cm. Weight of heart in female is about 300 gram, whereas male is about 300 gram and whereas female about 275 gram. External heart is composed of upper atria and lower ventricles. An irregular ridge is to be present between interatria, right atria, in between the right atria and left atria. An oblique ridge is to be found between interventricular region, right ventricular, and between the left ventricular. Left ventricles. It means that the heart is of about 4 chambered heart in human. Upper right atrium and left atrium, and lower right ventricle and left ventricle. The overall heart is of about 4 chambered structure. We come to the anatomical structure of the heart. Anatomically, it appears that the heart is 4 chambered, 2 upper atria and 2 lower ventricle. Upper atria is further divided into right atrium and left atrium, and lower ventricle is divided into right ventricle and left ventricle. Anatomically, heart is appears as 4 chambered structure. There are several septum between these chambers. There are several septum between these chambers. The septum or septa. There are different types of septum between these chamber. Atrial septum. The second is atrioventricular septum. Third is interventricular septum. There are three main important septum found to be present in the heart chambers. Interatrial septum between the right atrium and left atrium. There is a septum called interatrial septum. The second is atrioventricular septum. Right ventricle and left ventricle. This septum is called atrioventricular septum, AVS, and the interventricular atrioventricular is the atrioventricular septum, and this one is interventricular septum, AVS. Interatrial septum, IAS, AVS, interventricular septum, and IVS, interventricular septum. Interatrial septum, interventricular septum, and atrioventricular septum. Next, there are presence of many valves in these chambers on the septum. First is called tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve found between the tricuspid valve. There are present of three flaps. These provide unidirectional flow of blood. Causes flow of blood from right atrium to right ventricle. And the second important septum is called bicuspid or mitral valve. It is also called bicuspid valve. It is composed of two membranous flap. It helps in flow of blood from left ventricle to left atrium, also called auricle, atrium to left ventricle. Third important valve is the semilunar valve. Semilunar valves. The semilunar valves is of two types. First, for semilunar valve is of half moon-like membrane compose the semilunar valve. It is of two types. First is at the point of pulmonary vein. First, at the point of pulmonary aorta. Semilunar valve at the opening of pulmonary aorta from the right ventricle. It is situated in the right ventricle where pulmonary aorta is to be start. And the second one is called semilunar valve is to be presented main opening of the second semilunar valve present valve is to be present at the openings of main aorta in left ventricle. These are the valves present in the different chamber of the heart. Tricuspid valve present in between the right atria and right ventricle at the septum of atrioventricular septum, at the region of atrioventricular septum. And the next bicuspid valve also present at the septum between atria and ventricular. It means atrioventricular septum. These two valves is more important than other. The tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve causes the flow of blood from atria to the ventricle. Then the blood transported via pulmonary aorta or from the main aorta with the help of semilunar valve. Next, openings of vena cava, openings of artery or vein. Openings of artery and vein. Vena cava enter into the right atria. there are two vena cava. First is inferior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and the second is posterior vena cava, posterior vena cava, vena cava. Inferior vena cava, inferior vena cava collect all the bloods from the inferior inferior or upper part of the, collect all bloods from the upper part of the body, from upper part of the body and reach to the right atrium. And posterior vena cava collect all bloods from the lower parts of the body and enter into the right atrium. There is also present coronary vein, coronary veins. Coronary vein collect blood from the heart wall and enter into the right atrium. All these bloods, either from upper part of the body and or from the lower part of the body and blood from the heart wall, all these bloods are deoxygenated. Am I right? Next, some muscular appendages inside the different chamber. Some muscular appendages are formed inside or modified inside the different chamber of heart, atria or ventricle. Muscular appendages in atria. In atria, the muscular appendages is called are called pectinati. Muscles, pectinati muscles. These muscles are more in left atrium than right atrium. These modification appear more in left atrium than right atrium. Second, muscular appendages found to be present in ventricles are called ventricles. There are two types of two types of muscular appendages. First arise from the muscular pillar like structure, pillars like structures, pillars like structures are arise from the base of the ventricle. The base of the ventricles called chordae columnicorni. Such type of muscular pillars found to be present in the inner side of the ventricle, base of the ventricle. These are called columnicorni. And the second one is called chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae fibrous. These are fibrous muscular structures arise from columnicorni and support the opening and closing of valves. Valve present in mitral valve, opening and closing of valves, mitral valve and tricuspid valve. Mitral and tricuspid, both of valves are controlled with the help of muscular fiber called chordae tendineae. Means there is also present fibrous structure called chordae tendineae. These fibers provide opening and closing of valve, control closing and opening of valve. These are the important anatomical feature of heart. There is also a all these are anatomical feature of internal feature of heart. I am awareing for nodes which control the function of heart. Since the heart is myocardial, therefore there is some nodes which control pumping of heart. These nodes are called, these nodes are also nodes. This is also important feature for heart. Nodes, there are two important nodes, SA node, SA node. SA node also called sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node present in middle of the right atrium on in muscular region or wall. This is also called pacemaker. SA node is also called pacemaker. If it is failed in old person, then a mechanical machine is fit in the side, what is called pacemaker, and this is also called pacemaker of the heart, SA node. And the second important node is called AV node. AV node also called atrioventricular node. This node present at the septum of the atrioventricular. This node present at atrioventricular septum. It is present on AVS, atrioventricular septum. It is activated with the help of SA node. SA node means SA node provide impulse which is received by AV node. What are the functions of this? I will discuss just a minute. And the third important is bundle of His. His is the scientist. From the AV node, this is AV node present at the septum of the AVS. AV node protrude several myofibrillar. Several means many. Myocardial fibers. This fiber is called bundle of His. Bundle of His. These are myocardial fibers. Muscle fibers arise from AV nodes. Next, Purkinje fibers. This present in the interventricle. This bundle of his present in interatrial septum. Interventricular septum. Septum means the septa present between the ventricle where bundle of His is to be found. The next fiber is called bundle of Purkinje fiber. Purkinje fiber continues with the HIS bundle of His and reach to the base of the ventricle. This is the part of ventricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. This is bundle of His continues with Purkinje fiber. These are called. This is the base of the ventricle. These are called Purkinje fibers. Students, these are mechanical. These causes mechanical pumping of heart. All these AV node, SA node, bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. All these causes pumping of heart. The SA node contract, and SA node is a muscular node. When contract, then the right and left atria both contract, and the impulse of the SA nodes reach to the AV nodes. When AV nodes is contract, the bundle of His and Purkinje fiber all are contract, and finally the two ventricles, right and left ventricles, are contract. It means when atria is contract, then ventricle is relaxed. When atria is relaxed, then ventricle is contract. Atrium contract, atria contract, ventricle relax, ventricle contract, atria relax. These are continues. This contraction and relaxation continues in heart of four chambered heart, in four chambered heart. These are the important anatomical features of heart. The function of heart and function of heart AC node contract then contraction in atria. Atria means right and left, right atria and left atria both, right atria and left atria both, right atrium and left atrium both. AC node contract, then contraction in atria. AC nodes also provide impulse for AV node. AV node present in atrioventricular septum. Atrioventricular septum. AV node then contract. AV node when contract bundle of his also contract, and this contraction continues with the Purkinje fibers. Contraction of all these result in contraction of right and left ventricle. When atria contract, ventricle relax. When ventricle relax, atria contract. This continues in the heart. AC node provide contraction in right atrium and left atrium. AV node provide contraction in right ventricle and left ventricle. When atria contract, ventricles are relaxed. When ventricles are relaxed, atria is contract. Atria are contract. Cardiac cycle. Suppose outer circle is the outer circle for atria, and inner circle for outer circle for atria, inner circle for ventricle. There are 8 segments in those parts. First, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8. Atria contract in 0.1 second, 0.1 second contraction. This is atria. Atria contract in only 1 second, 0.1 second, not 1 second, 0.1 second, whereas atria relax in 0.7 second and contract in 0.1 second. And ventricle, these are ventricle, contract in 0.3 second, 0.3 second, and relax in 0.4 second. Point 5 second. Relaxation time of atria is 0.7 second. Contraction of atria is 0.1 second. Whereas ventricle contract at 0.3 second and relax in 0.5 second. Overall contraction of heart is 0.4. Contraction of heart is 0.4 and relaxation of heart is 0.4, means 0.8. Complete heartbeat is complete in 1 beat of heart is complete in 0.8 second. 8 second means the total heartbeat in 1 minute is approx heartbeat or pulse same. Heartbeat in 1 minute. 1 minute is approx 60 to 100 per minute in normal man, but in athlete it is of about 40 beats per minute. This is cardiac cycle, means contraction of heart atria in only 1.1 second and relaxation of atria. Contraction of atria 0.1 second and relaxation of atria is about 0.7 second. Whereas in ventricle 0.3 second of contraction time and relaxation time of about 0.5 second. If you calculate the overall 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.4 second is the contraction time of overall heart, both atria and ventricle, and the relaxation time is 0.4 second. If you calculate for 0.4 and 0.4 is equal to 0.8 second for 1 beat. 1 beat contraction and relaxation both include 0.8 second. 1 beat in 0.8 second, when how many beats in 1 minute? So it is of approx 72 to 100 according to different human, but in athletes 40 beats per minute required for athletes. This is the main feature and functions of heart. Thank you, my dear. I will meet you again